Hey guys, what's up? Figured I'd just start the vlog now. I'm sitting here at a temp service agency thing, or temp office, whatever you want to call it, waiting on Summer. She had an interview today, so yeah. Sitting here bored, waiting on her, figured nothing better to do. But, so I figured I'd start the video. And anyways, figured I'd tell y'all a little bit what I got in mind. And I know I done talked about it, but I'm gonna be bedlining my grill again because it didn't turn out right. I'm gonna be bedlining my fender flares, my bumpers, and part of my truck. Eventually, I'm gonna bedline my whole truck. I just ain't got $500 to do it yet. But I'm gonna replace my headliner because this one's all dirty and messed up. And instead of just trying to clean it, figured I'd just go ahead and replace it. So I mean, y'all give me ideas on what I should replace it with. I was thinking about just getting a black sheet and replacing it. I was thinking about getting an American flag and replacing it. Been thinking about a few things, just haven't fully came up with nothing yet. I mean, not sure really what else to talk about, but I mean, I'm eventually get this truck spotless, real good clean. I'm eventually, hang on, yeah, get my phone out of mount. But I'm eventually splatter paint these. I got that splatter painted. Got that splatter painted. But those, and the very back ones right there, I'm gonna eventually splatter paint. And I'm eventually splatter paint those also. I'm gonna get my door panels cleaned up real nice. Thinking about splatter painting those. Not sure yet. Thinking about it. But yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting on Summer. Anyways, I'll get back to y'all eventually. I might wash my truck today. I don't know. The weather kind of don't look promising. I mean, I might start painting some stuff tonight. I don't know. If I do, I'll record it definitely. But alright, guys. Well, I finally started bedlining the bottom of my truck. Might knock out the fenders also. Had my lovely assistant help me. I'm gonna let her do the second layer of paint. I did the first layer just to see how it turned out and look.
Looks pretty good.
I like it. But this is what I've been using Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. And I was using 80 grit sandpaper. I didn't push it down hard. I just scuffed up, or we just scuffed up the clear coat. But here in a minute, I'm gonna come back out, do another layer right here. Then I'll probably start taping this off, getting this ready. That way we can just clear or paint that also at the same time. So far though, I really like it. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. Alright, thanks guys. Well guys, got the truck finished up. I mean, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I forgot to make an outro. Anyways, got the truck finished up today. I mean, it looks really good. I'll include it in tomorrow's vlog. Got a lot of overspray I gotta clean up, but it just comes off just by rubbing with your finger. So I mean, it should come off with a good bath tomorrow. So I mean, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.